Good morning, everybody. Doing an open house today in Rosena Ranch on a cul-de-sac. Take you guys inside really quick. So this house is 1821 square feet, and it's 3 bedrooms plus a loft. Some upgrades in the house: the flooring. It's a kitchen area, obviously. Cool things about this house: it is on a cul-de-sac. Since it is on the corner, it has a bigger backyard, which is sometimes rare in this community. So you can check out the potential that it has. Put a retaining wall in there, push that hill back just a little bit. Fire pit. Show you the patio too. It has an aluminum wood patio. And we'll go check out the side yard over there. Enough room to put in a small pool. Again, push that hill back, get creative with it. And I'll take you inside. Fireplace. Downstairs bathroom. Nice cabinet area, and then a lot of people put a desk right here in this area. Works out really good. The main area bathroom upstairs, double sinks. This is the loft area. Upstairs laundry with cabinets. And then the 2 smaller bedrooms. And then we'll go to the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Really good size. We got blinds throughout. Nice big bathroom. Tub, shower, nice walk-in closet. Go back downstairs. Sorry, I have to put my shoes back on. So we'll be here till 3 o'clock today, 17641 Leafcup Court in Rosena Ranch. Beautiful weather today. Have the mountain view from here. You can see it through the houses. Come check it out. If you know anybody looking to move to Rosena Ranch, this is one of the best deals in the community. 1821 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus a loft, and it's listed at $405. So if you know anybody, please let them know.